Wakey, 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 it's time for school. Come on. Wake up, it's time for school. Come on, man. Are you ready for school?
My neighbor's cat just learned how to climb over the wall to visit me. She comes every day. Cute. I think we are besties now.
I touched my cat, and she thought it was the other cat.
Ow! What you doing?
That's why I love Nestle Crunch. Why I love Nestle Crunch.
It's the final brain cell.
Please don't pet me. No petting, thank you. I don't want to be petted. Do not pet.
This family makes me want to murder people.
If you're fucking happy and you motherfucking know what, clap your motherfucking hands. If you're fucking happy and you motherfucking know what, clap your motherfucking hands. If you're fucking happy and you motherfucking know it, and you really motherfucking wanna motherfucking show it. If you're motherfucking happy and you motherfucking know what, clap your motherfucking hands.
Run for shoddy. Call him Ed Sheeran, he in love with my body. Get into it, yo. Pop out.
Oh my God.
Mother, I crave violence.